John teacher. Today we will work on second grade math. Today we will study subtraction, 2 digits. So we will press on the 11th scale. So we will work on this, which I already do in my note. John is working on some math work that is due tomorrow. Yesterday, he completed 51 problems. There are 68 problems altogether. How many problems does John have to left to finish today? So it will be 68 minus 51, and you'll get the answer. So 68 minus 51 equals 8 minus 1 equals 7, and then 6 minus 5 equals 17. So there are 17 problems needed to finish. So I'm going to type in that number. 68 minus 51 equals 17. So that's the subtraction sentence that matches this story. So some written time, a banana farm received a total of 21 millimeters of rain in March and April. So there was a total. How many? If 16 millimeters of rain fell on the farm in March, how many millimeters of rain fell on the farm in April? So that it said March fell 16 drops of rain, and then April, I don't know how many. So there is just, so the answer of this question mark, the question mark must be equal to 21 minus 16 equals the question mark 1. So 21 minus 16 equals 5, because 4 equals 20, and then add another, so it will make 21. So 16 plus 5 equals 21. So 21 minus 16 equals 5 is the answer. So 21 minus 16. So the question mark is now equal to 5. So it will be just like that. So it equals the 5 answer right over there. So it's just right there, and then submit time. Guess what? As a firefighter, Bella has helped put out a total of 98 fires. Wow, that's a lot. 89 fires, that's a lot too. 89 fires. If she has put out 55 fires in the city, how many 55 ones in the city? Then, how many fires that had helped and not the city. So, in the not the city one, the no city one, the no city one, the no city one, there was, I don't know what's the no city one, but I know that it should be 89 minus 55. So it will become the answer for this question mark. So it will be just like that. 89 minus 55. Let me just write it over here. It might help me for a little. And then 9 minus 5 equals 4. 8 minus 5 equals 34. So there are 34. So 34 that were not in the city. So 89 minus 55 equals 34. So it's just like that. Go. There are 78 shoes in all. And then 14 of them are black shoes. How many shoes are not black? So it's not black. So 78 minus 14 equals the question mark, which is the how many pairs of shoes are not black. So it's just that, and then it will be 14 equals, so let me write it like that, and then let me just like that, and then it will be just like this. 64 shoes are not black. So 78 minus 14 equals 64. So it's just like that, and then it will be summit time. Brilliant! Maria owns the Lofting Pie Company. If this morning her employees used 12 eggs to bake the strawberry pies, if her envelopes use a total of 31 eggs today, how many eggs did they use in the afternoon? So there were 33 eggs, 31 eggs today, and then it was just like 12 of them were baked to use some pie. This is a pie, and this is not used yet. This is used for other things. This is this morning, this is this afternoon. So, I don't know how many eggs they used in the afternoon. So, if we find a clue, this question mark will turn into a number. So, its question mark still there. So, the number must be 31 minus 12 equals the question mark. Question mark equals 31 minus 12. So, 31 minus 12, 31 minus 12 equals, let me regroup, 11 minus 2 equals 9, and then it will be just, this is 9, and then it will become 19 eggs this afternoon. So this number turns into 19. The number turns into 19, so it will be just like that, and then 31 minus 12 equals 19 eggs they used in the afternoon. So it's just like that, and submit time. You got it. Lola and her friends collected 54 shells at the beach. 19 of them were whole, but the rest were broken. So it's just like that. 54, right over there. 54. 54. And then 19 of them was whole, but the rest were broken. How many shells were broken? So the question mark is the broken shells. So there was 54 shells right there. And then the question mark must be equal to 54 minus 19. So it must equal just about this. Let me just write it again. 19, and then it should be 4 minus 9, not good enough. 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 equals 5, and then 4 minus 1 equals 3. So there's 35 of them were broken. So this question mark turns into 35. So it's just like that, and then it's just like that, and then so it's just like that. It will be 54, and then it will 54 minus 19 equals 54 minus 19 equals 35. So it's just like that. Correct! Last week, Ashley practiced a song 74 times. 74 times. And then, if she practiced the song 34 times on her own, how many times did she practice the song in front of others? So, it must be for the question mark. Yes, the question mark is the correct number of practice the song in front of others. So it should be 74 minus 34. So 74 minus 34. 74 minus 34. 4 minus 4 equals 0. See, it's 0. And then 7 minus 3 equals 4. So there are 40 times in front of others. So then 74 minus 34, and then equals 40. So this is 40. And then it's 40. And then it should be just like that. And then it's submit time. Boy Scouts are collecting food for the needy. So far, they had collected 41 items. 20 of those items are in cans and the rest are in boxes. How many of the donated items are in boxes? So it's just like that, and then there will be just like 20 of those items are in box. 1 minus 0 equals 1, and then 21 of them are in boxes. So there are. This is the correct answer. So it's 41 minus 20 equals 21. So it's just like that. Then, excellent! Amazing! You have mastered the skill and earned a gold medal. You. Good guys, you are very great. This is not very easy, but you still managed to do it. You are great. Air high five. Woohoo! I know that you could do it. Bye-bye. See you next time.